Christmas light teardown is starting with the preparation of getting everything ready to start taking everything down. So Christmas light show is still hooked up, and it's gonna be hooked up for today and tomorrow. Now, whenever I post this video, it's not gonna be today and tomorrow for you guys. It's gonna be whenever I decide to post the video. So we're gonna start by going through all these boxes and going through upstairs and making sure that we have everything to start tearing down. So we're gonna get this on the tripod. And start going through all the boxes. So this one is the tree poles. This is where the tree poles go. Yep, so everything is supposed to be nice and cleaned out. We can go and dump it, and then I'll sweep afterwards. So here's all the tree poles, where those go. And then Christmas light show, I believe I'm going to put inside of this box here. For the light show itself. We're going to put that inside of this box here. Okay. So a hat must have got thrown in here. We can just hang this up somewhere because we don't need it. And then I found these this year. These is what used to go on the ground for the arch, and then we had to get new poles. But we'll keep these as spares inside of another box. This I don't think I'm gonna need. It's from the there's rope light sets. So everything just got thrown in here. Icicle light clips. These are brittle. See. Well, that one isn't, but there you go. You can just break it. So these can be tossed in the trash. We're gonna throw this away. These stakes go with my Gemini's LED tree, as well as this, I believe. Let's see. LED light show, yep. This is with my Jimmy light show tree. So we'll put that in the box as soon as I get it out. But this will be my light show box where I put all the light show. And then for the 8-footer tree, I have the box. It's here and everything. There's nothing inside of it to get in the way. Be put over here for now. These will go with my orchestra light box because these are the clips for the icicles. I have two 100 count sets. I didn't need it, but we got it just in case. And this used to go with my old wreath, but I kept it. So we'll just keep that in there. And this broke off. Oh, it's actually broken. Whatever. Still very nice wreath box, so we'll just keep it. And you can give me simplicity tree. I don't. Nothing in there. We're gonna throw those stakes in there. The one that we just had. Over there, and that instruction manual. We're gonna throw those in there. So the light show is ready. Oh wait, nope, the orchestra lights. This goes with my orchestra lights. This goes with the Jimmy Simplicity tree. I know that. But this goes with my orchestra lights because this measures out the icicles on the one side of the roof that the roof was shorter on. I basically go around, check I have all the boxes, and go look for anything that's not there. Here's the 2 icicle lights, the Edison bulb, the Wi-Fi hub, projection set, and the candy cane pathway markers. So this can get thrown in there, that can get thrown in there, and looks to me we can put the Wi-Fi hub here, piece of wood there, the instruction manual there, and throw these hooks, maybe. Okay, we were able to throw one there. And then the other one, sorry about that, I hit the record button, but the clips could not fit in there. So the clips will most likely just go with the light show, if it'll fit in there too. If not, I'll put it somewhere else. Now, I'm going to show you some new lights that I got for next year. This right here is full of brand new lights. I have 24 sets of white and 1 set of blue right there. And here's one of the LED lights on box. This I've already had. 4 sets of these C9 or C7 lights right here, as well as 1 older set from a neighbor, and 6 of these plugs. And then a couple of wire nuts for it, and some pushing cord. So those are some new lights, and that gets stored directly right there. Alright, so the light show's ready. We're going to go over to the indoor lights. This I already know it's there, and this has already been packaged up. So, do we need this? No. So we can just go take this and put it upstairs, which you're going to go see it up in the attic, where everything's going to go. Here's the village, some of the village there. The cords to box for the village, well, the figurines, more for the village. Even more for the village. These are parts I just did not use this year because we went with the wood theme. And parts for a train, which will fit inside this box. I know it's like over the size of it, but it's the smallest box I have. The tree goes inside this bag. Here's half of the attic door, it broke. And the other half is up there. But we're gonna go and take this box upstairs. Oh, let me get my headband up. Something really useful for an attic is these little headbands here. It basically makes light, so you could see. Okay. And next we're gonna bring this box upstairs. What I do is I place it here, come up into the attic, place it where the tree goes, if the tree's not even there, and then go put it where it needs to go. So this box is gonna go back there. Okay. So the tree goes here. This box is full of other lights. I don't want it falling through the roof, so we're gonna put it there. That box, I don't know what's in it. Other lights or other decorations that we just don't use. Not really. Ornaments that we just didn't use because we went with the wood theme. More ornaments that we didn't use for the wood theme back there. And stuff for, that's all my stuff, like electrical stuff, and then that's for a real tree. So that was the attic. I think that's it for the preparation part. Everything looks good, everything's here. And I'm gonna start taking down the Christmas lights on Sunday, maybe Sunday night. And you will see a video whether it's daytime or nighttime. Oh, and this one right here goes for the tree inside. It doesn't actually have the lights anymore because I had someone cut it. It wasn't squirrels. It looked too perfect of a cut to be squirrels. So someone cut it, and that's how we got cameras there and then in the front yard. So now this right here just is the wireframe, but then I have a tree dazzler on it, one that works. The other one just broke and I threw it away. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like this video. And part 2 will come out pretty soon.